Hello and welcome to the Italian wine course. My name is Madeline Paquette. I am the founder of winefolly.com, and you are soon to meet Christine Marsilio, who is a Master of Wine with a master's degree in viticulture and enology. Together, we will be exploring the wines of Italy. And now our goal with this course is not only will you become confident in the wines of Italy, but you will have the theory and the perspective so that when you approach a new wine or a new region, you know how to find what you want and how to identify great quality. Of course, there is some practical to go through to get through this course, so I'd like to show you how it's all organized. This course has 4 modules, and each module should take you a week to complete. We have Northwest Italy, Northeast Italy, Central Italy, and Southern Italy and the islands. We will be exploring the major grape variety styles and regions to know in this area, as well as some up-and-comers that you ought to know. You can test your knowledge along the way with section quizzes, and we include many tasting videos if you want to practice tasting these wines on your own. This course culminates with a final personal project. You can choose to pair foods and wines of Italy or select wines to follow along with this course. Finally, if you have purchased the certificate course, you will be completing an examination. This more than 100 question multiple choice examination will challenge you on all of the knowledge that you've learned throughout this course. But not to worry, if you've filled out your worksheets and completed those section quizzes, you will confidently pass and receive a digitally signed certificate with your name on it. So I'd like to welcome you to the world of wine of Italy.